It's a perfect day today to test out the Mini 5 Pro stability. We'll compare it to the Mini 4 Pro. And now I'll take off the Mini 4 Pro. Yeah, they're more or less the same direction. Okay, same thing with this one. Hyperlapse. CourseLock. Length 10 seconds on that one as well. Lock course, and then start. This is the Hyperlapse screen recording. I am using RC Pro 2 for the Mini 5 Pro and RC2 for the Mini 4. A lot of strong wind warning, especially from the Mini 4 Pro. Just look at the wind indicators. I had max wind speeds up to 50 meters per second or 55 kilometers an hour. And this is the end result. Not bad for such harsh winds. And now it's time to go home. I press return to home for the Mini 4 Pro first. I then press return to home for the Mini 5 Pro. As you see, the wind blows hard. The Mini 5 Pro struggles a little bit, but eventually managed to come home. The Mini 4, on the other hand, struggles a lot. It actually ended up having 44% left of the battery, while the Mini 5 Pro had 35% left of the battery since I started that earlier. But still, it cannot return home. I have ramped up the speed to 10 times to make it faster. And as you see, the Mini 4 Pro is force landing. I'm trying my best to avoid trees. The little bit it actually does react. I'm also trying to avoid the road because I don't want the car to run over it. And after almost 1 minute on zero battery, it lands and then cuts all feed. Here you have the flight path and the wind curves of both the Mini 5 Pro and Mini 4 Pro. And now I have to climb down from this hill and use the Find My Drone function, and hopefully I'll get there. Using 10 times speed to speed up the downhill hiking. And finally I get down to the road. Okay, I'm coming down from the mountain, trying to locate my Mini 4 Pro. Hopefully it's not too far away. Landed it close to a forest road. I avoided the forest road so it wouldn't be run over. Sometimes there are a few cars there, not many, but I wouldn't see the drone. So I'm definitely going to have a good test of find my drone. Let's see. I believe it's left from here. It was a bit opening. It's okay. I had to bring out the controller. Okay, it seems like I saw correctly. Should be interesting. Let's see. Yeah, I can see it. Okay, it definitely works. And does it look complete? Yes. But what if I start flashing and beeping? Is the battery enough? No. The battery is so flat that it wouldn't start beeping. So it's a good thing I did land it here, and because I was very close to land in some of the trees. I'll show you on the screen recording.